Hi everybody! As you all know, Mother's Day is coming up really soon. In fact, it's this Sunday. So, today I'm going to show you how to make this lovely Mother's Day card. Look, you can put a little message inside it. Isn't it cute? Let's get started then. So, what are you going to need to make this card? You will need some colored paper. Today I am using the orange, yellow and red. You will also need a pencil. With the pencil you can draw on the paper. You will need scissors. The scissors are used to cut the paper. You will also need some glue. You will also need a piece of paper. This will function as your card and your background. Let's get started then. First, you will need to fold the white paper in half, then set it aside. Next, you will fold the orange one in half as well. Then, use your pencil to draw on a flower pot. Cut out your flower pot. Look, now you can open it up. Set it aside with your white paper for the time being. Use your pencil to draw some circles on the yellow paper. Then cut them out with the scissors. Here we go. Set them aside as well. Now draw a straight line on your red paper and cut some strips. Here we go. Now it is time to assemble everything. First, take your white card. Stick your plant pot in the middle and then put some glue above it where you want your flower to be. Add the strips of red paper in a circle, then some more glue in the center and fold each bit into the middle. As you can see, this is quite tricky and you need to keep adding glue. Okay, one little bit of glue and the yellow circle can go in the middle. Now you can use a green pen to draw the stem and leaves. Finally, take a black marker or pen and write Happy Mother's Day or I love you or a personal message. And ta-da! Your beautiful card is finished. Thank you for watching. See you next time.